you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Code Fusion Hub. So today I am here with another new video of solving a database problems of MySQL in this whole playlist. I hope so you have been understanding all the questions that we have been solving. In case if you have missed any of them, I'll give the link in the description box. If you are a new user, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you never miss any update from this playlist. And also we have been coming up with another interesting playlist, so make sure you stay tuned with this. And for today's question, we are going to solve another new problem which is going to be of level medium difficulty. Okay, so we are almost about to an end to this playlist. So make sure you are consistent throughout this whole and make sure you have been solving each and every problem that is mentioned in the playlist that will help your problem solving skills way too far. Okay. So let's just start with our today's problem. So our problem number is going to be 180 for our today's video. Okay. So it is nothing but the consecutive numbers, which is of level medium difficulty. So we are going to solve this problem today. So let's just have a look at the question and think upon the approach that needs to be done over on this problem. Yes. So be attentive while the whole video. In case if you don't understand the problem, then make sure you go through the problem, the question, and the solution twice and thrice and go through it. Never ever skip the problem if you don't understand. Practice it again and again, and you'll get it for sure. So let's have a look at the question. What does this say? We have a table which is named as logs over here. We have ID which is int, and we have a num that is going to be where. Okay, ID is going to be the primary key for this table and it is an auto increment column. Okay, so whenever a new value has been inserted, we don't have to specify the ID. It will be automatically incremented over here. Now, what do we have to find here is we have to find all the numbers that appear at least 3 times consequently. Okay, so we have to specify the numbers that have been appearing 3 times consequently. Okay, the result table will be any order, so that doesn't matter over here. So we have an input over here which has specific IDs that are unique. Okay, and we have numbers over here. So here you can see 111 is consequently occurring 3 times in the table. Rest all values are not occurring. So we have to just give an output that the consecutive number over here was 1. Okay, because 1 is the only number that appears consequently for 3 times. Okay, so yeah, let's think upon the approach. Give your answers in the comment section below. Just pause the video and try to think upon the approach and let me know your answers in the comment section below. So yes, we have a table over here. So what are we going to do is we only have one table. So we are going to perform self join. Okay, to just check the values, that what values are present over here. So what are we going to do is we are going to take three alias of this table, that is L1, L2 and L3, for the same table to perform self join. Now how do we do that? Okay, we are first of all going to select, what we have to do is we have to select the distinct values. Okay, distinct, that is no value is going to be repeated over here. So we are going to take L1. Okay, the number. Okay, this we are just extracting the number column, not the ID one. So we are going to rename the table as what? Consecutive nums, correct? We are going to take consecutive nums. Okay, this is the name of the table that we want over here. So we have selected this values, okay, from the table logs. Okay, so first alias what we have given is L1. Now we have to perform self join, and the second and third alias we are going to do is L2 and L3 to perform self join over here. So what are we going to do is we are going to take join. We are going to join this logs table but with another alias, okay, into which we are going to check that the value of this first table, okay, is equals to the value of second table's -1. Okay, now why do we do this -1? Okay, what does this whole statement over here mean? Now this join table where the ID L1 is exactly less than ID L2. Okay, So this ensures that the L2 is the next row after L1. Similarly, we are going to perform a join over here on the logs table, but with an alias of L3. Okay. Into here, which we are going to check is nothing but the ID of this second row is equal to the third one. Okay. I have not specified ID over here. Okay. ID minus 1. Okay. So we got this also over here. So this is also, this join also logs in this log table will just give another instance where the ID of L2 is exactly 1 less than the ID of L3. Okay, so this ensures that L3 is the next row of the L2. Now, okay, this specified condition should be met for the rows to be included in the result. Okay, so this needs to be mentioned, and we are going to just apply a filter, a where clause over here. Now what does this where clause mean? Over here we are going to check that my first instance number is equal to the second number instance, okay, and my second number instance is equal to the third number instance, which will make sure that all the three numbers are going to be consecutive. Okay, where we have seen that a is equals to b is equals to c, then a is equals to c. Similar kind of logic over here, that if this logic works, okay, so I have by mistake written L1 over here, it will be L2. Okay, so if L1 is equals to L2 and L2 is equals to L3, then L1, L2 and L3 are consecutively occurring three times over here in this row. Okay, so this ensures that all the values are equal to this, and essentially it checks the condition that three consecutive rows are present in the num values, correct? So we'll just run our code and check that does it pass the test cases present over here for the solution. So yes, our test cases have been accepted over here. We have got the same value, only one was occurring consequently, so we got this value. We'll just submit our code and check for the hidden test cases too, that it passes through that also, it doesn't fail over. Yeah, so our test cases have been accepted over on the submission also. So this was an easy problem, quite, but it was just about self join. So I hope so you have understood the whole video. In case if you have any doubt, you can let me know in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys in the next lecture. Till then, make sure you have subscribed to my channel and share it with all your friends and colleagues. Hit the like button if you liked the video. I'll see you guys in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.